In a country where the lack of infrastructure is a constant woe, we face a rather strange problem when it comes to our airports. In many cases, hundreds of crores have been spent constructing brand new airports, airports from where there are no flights operating at all. Ketaki Angre reports.
Just a fortnight ago, operations came to a grinding halt at the Durgapur airport in West Bengal, leading to a bitter face-off between the centre and the state government. Durgapur was just the latest in a long list of unused airports and airstrips across the country, a total of 394 in all. The government has spent 600 crore rupees in the last 2 years alone on 25 such ghost airports from where not a single flight has taken off. The government now hopes to change this with its new regional connectivity plan. Under this scheme, fares will be capped at 2,500 rupees. Funded by a regional connectivity fund where states are to contribute 20%.
आने वाले समय के अंदर 35 करोड़ मध्यम वर्गीय परिवार और देश के विभिन्न कोनों को जोड़ने की जो योजना है.
The centre will give concessions on excise duty, service tax, even encouraging code sharing. The airline operator will have to fly a minimum of 3 and maximum of 7 flights per week, for which they will be compensated through a viability gap fund. The government is hopeful the concessions and SOPs will get state governments and airline operators to back the scheme.
We are trying to make it an economic activity. We are doing a hand-holding for a limited period of time.
But experts sound a word of caution.
This scheme will enable those airports that have been developed but where no flights are presently taking place to start commercial operations. I believe that part of the challenge of this scheme would be in getting the states to sign up and fulfill their commitments and obligations under the scheme.
Stakeholders have 3 weeks to give the government feedback and suggestions before the policy is finalized. With camera persons Alphonse and Divan Singh in Delhi, Ketaki Angre for NDTV.